Welcome back. Many thanks indeed for keeping it KBC. Time to make sense of shillings and cents in business, where the government is drafting regulation that will compel property owners to pay rental income in new efforts to boost rental income collections from the current 17 billion shillings to 100 billion shillings. National Treasury Principal Secretary Dr. Chris Kiptor says the government is piloting the electronic rental tax information system on a voluntary basis that will inform policy guidelines and reviewing rental income tax.
In order to mobilize compliance, the government reduced rental income tax from 10% to 7.5%. However, the move hasn't yielded the much anticipated results, with the taxman collecting 17 billion shillings annually from rental income tax against a potential of at least 100 billion shillings.
The last financial year, 2023-2024, the monthly rental income registered a collection of 14.4 billion, translating to a 5.2% year-on-year growth compared to a collection of 13.6 billion and 12.3 billion in the previous financial years, 2022-2023 and 2021-2022 respectively. Despite this growth, there's still need for a more targeted support and facilitation to bolster the overall compliance for the sector.
The electronic rental tax information system is expected to facilitate registration of landlords and rental properties in a streamlined and comprehensive manner, simplify tax filing processes for landlords, making compliance easier.
Furthermore, past initiatives such as the tax amnesties and property data collection exercises have yielded some progress, but have not fully resolved the issue. Kenya Revenue Authority must confront these challenges head-on, while advancing strategic initiatives to enhance revenue collection mechanisms and ensure that those who ought to pay taxes do it religiously without avoiding or evading.
The initial phase will focus on driving awareness, with other phases focused on technical enhancements, including data analytics, geospatial mapping, and a comprehensive education and adoption campaign.
With this system, we aim not only to increase the revenue collection, but also create a more equitable and predictable tax environment that benefits both taxpayers and the government.
Monthly rental income is applicable to landlords earning between 288,000 and 15 million shillings annually.
Expanding the tax base and ensuring an equitable distribution, we can reduce the burden on current compliance taxpayers. The introduction of IRIT therefore makes a significant milestone. It is imperative that we continue adopting systems that are supporting every eligible taxpayer to fulfill their obligations voluntarily.
Regina Manyara reporting for Lunchtime News.